Good morning, everyone. I got a request to do a video on these little pickups here. So here it is. I got all of these from Kevin Morgan of KCM Collectibles. I believe you can buy these in just the just the truck, but I bought them the truck with 3 figures. Not only put one by each one, but here they are. There's the Mammoet. It comes with the oversized load sign and a toolbox in the back. Of course, all the doors open. The trunk's open. And on several of them, the hood opens. If I can get my finger in there. Wow, it's a little tough. There it is. Okay, so here we have the Manitowoc. I couldn't, he didn't have it in red when I was ready for it, so I got it in white. There's the Liebherr. The Liebherr one came with a generator in the back. So I put a guy with a plug to go in and hook it up and restart a crane or something. I don't know. But even those doors open. And a cool little touch is a bunch of these even have a little antenna. Yeah, I know it's a little bent up, but it is an antenna. It's very, very tiny. So I didn't mess with it. Over here is the Sarens. Comes with, it even came with a front tow bar, tow hitch, whatever, as well as a pintle hook in the back, which a bunch of these do. This one has a pintle hook. So does this one. And so does this one. I didn't show that at first. This one did not come with the pintle hook. This D-Mag here. Got my Terex guys. Here's the Sarens. That's them. They do look pretty sharp. Kevin is a really cool guy. He referred to them as the crew is on the way to the job site. He's a really, really nice guy. I enjoyed doing business with him. So if you're looking for these, he does them in mining colors and excavator colors, and the guys are all colored correctly, and he's got a lot more. So if you're looking for these little pickups and some men, he has several different kits. You can buy, I think, up to 5 guys or 6, I'm not sure. But they do look really good sitting next to your cranes. And they do give it a little bit of an extra look. I think all my kits that I bought from him, I bought them with 3 guys. The truck with 3 guys. But I'm sure you can work out any kind of deal with them. You can find KCM Collectibles on Facebook or several of the classified sites. And of course he's on eBay. So if you're looking for some of these things, and I do recommend them, they do look so cool. One of them's a Chevy, and the others are the Fords. Which I didn't care much. They look good. I'm a Chevy guy myself, but I bought all these Fords here, and they look great sitting here with the models. I'm sure y'all have seen them in several of the videos. Here's the other two of the Sarens guys. You can see he's got Sarens on his back. There's another couple of Terex guys around here somewhere. There they are. One there and one right there. One of the guys did come as an operator. There's a Mammoet operator in my lever. And here's the guys for the Manitowoc. That dude's carrying a hydraulic line. And them guys are looking at a busted hydraulic line, I guess. I can't see it from here. But I just thought I'd show the guys as well. There's some more of the guys, the Manitowocs. They're written on the back and on the front. They're painted up real nice. Come as part of the kit. My guys fell down when I pulled the truck out of there, but there's a bunch of Mammoet and I think a Liebherr guy. I don't know. I can't see that on his back, but those are supposed to be all Mammoet guys right there. And there's a few more. They all come with these. All right, y'all. This was strictly a recommendation. Here, let me show you this. This guy got Terex and stuff written on the back. D-Mag Terex. All right, y'all. These Mammoet guys are going to have Mammoet on their back. He does a good job, I have to admit. That's why I bought so many of them. They look cool. All right, y'all. Short video, but there it is. There's all my little pickups that I nabbed to give a little extra look to the Cranes. All right, everybody. Got a review of the 6113 coming up. And the ringer is expected tomorrow, but you never know. We'll see. All right, y'all. Have a great day.